Okay, we're going to take a look at this huge ceiling fan. This one has Wi-Fi, ALEXC app, and all that control, because we can't say the full word, but the assistant. And yeah, it's actually quite advanced and quite modern and really big. It's a 72-inch fan, so wing-to-wing fan, of course. And we'll see what's inside. Nice. Wow, this box is huge. And that, okay, paperwork, installation guide if you need it. I've installed so many of these that at this point, no, I don't need an installation guide, but for who needs it, it's a good thing to have. And we have all the bits and pieces inside right here. Put this on the side and pull the pieces one by one so you can actually see what's going on. Usually I save this to put the motor on. Makes life much easier while installing the fans and all that. Like this, makes life easier. Trust me. I installed hundreds of these. And that is what I call a huge motor. Of that. Okay, free spin. And we have the connectors, a simple plug-in. Love that. Nice. What else do we have here? And that's the one that goes on the little pole. This is the short rod. We should have a long one somewhere. This is the one that goes directly here on the body, if you don't want to extend it. Oh, wow, there's a lot of stuff here. This is our receiver that will go on the cup that goes on the ceiling. And this is the remote with all the buttons and apps and cool stuff there. Nice. I'm liking it so far. The screws right here, 2, 4, 6, 8. Yep, that's the ones for here. Then we have these for the blades themselves in this other little baggie. And you have the ceiling mount screws with the nuts here. And then we have the ones for the lights. And we have the ones that are just extras, looks like. That's nice. Spare. Oh yeah, it says spare parts there. Cool. Okay. So installing this should be a breeze. I always like to have some sort of a magnet near me just in case I push the table or something so I don't lose the screws. And it's much easier to arrange them like this. So let's start putting stuff in. That's it. It's that easy. Just go from this side. I usually like to start with one so it becomes like a holding screw like this. Now you can do it with hand tools, by the way. It's not necessary to do it with a drill, but I find it easier with a drill. That's why I'm doing it with a drill. Just line them up and that's it. It looks almost like I'm mounting a car rim when you put them all together. That is totally up to you. And I'm not going to bore you with this full installation of the blades. Because literally you just put them like this, as you see the 3 screw holes come in. And then you grab the bag I told you in a minute. It's this right here. And start installing them. That's all. They have the washers and the screws right here. And that's it. So these washers you will not see because they're on the top side towards the ceiling. So it's better there a little bit, actually. That's it. And you just continue doing the same exact thing, all with the 8 blades, and you should be good to go. Just takes a few minutes. Really nothing complicated at all. Oh, see how nice and clean that installed? So the rest will be done in the ceiling, because I'm not going to bore you with the whole installation. See you in the ceiling. And here I have to remove these 3 little screws in order to install the LED light and plug it in. But besides that, the installation went very easy. I didn't cover this yet. As you see, went flush with the ceiling. Just have the magnets there and cover it, but you'll see that in a second. And it's looking really beautiful. Look at that. Absolutely a beauty. So let me do this real quick and we'll see it turning on. And we're good to go now. I'm just gonna plug this real quick so I don't forget. It just goes in there. Perfect. That's it. And then you just put on top the diffuser, which is this thingy right here. spin it, and ready to go. Let me put the magnets real quick on top there. So let's turn it on and see how it works. The magnet, it's this little piece right here, as you see. Boom. So it covers it and you're good to go. And the screws are all installed everywhere, and it doesn't have free spin here. That's good. That means it's resting on the notch here on the mount, and that's it. And just put this bracket. In my case, I just put it next to the door, so we can put the remote here and just use it as normal. Let me turn off the work light so we can actually turn on the fan and make it work. Okay, it's complete dark right now, but look what we can do here. Just turn it on like that. Wow, this thing is huge. Look at that. Let me turn it on one, just the fan. Look at that. Only on one. Literally, you can feel it to the floor because the wings are so big that it makes the whole room almost, you don't need AC. And actually, you can probably save a lot of energy by having one of these in your room. So you save on, these guys here. This is cool. Literally almost the whole room. Well, not really, but you know what I mean. And if I go more on 2, it increases and it's very silent. Whatever noises you hear right now, that's what it is. I'm not suppressing the noise or nothing. That's it. It's actually that simple and nice. And if you click this button right here, this one, it will stop. It will come slowly to a stop, and then after it does a full stop, it starts reversing. For winter time, it starts reversing. Just give it a second. But anyway, let's go check the light really quick. Is you have the light buttons right here. You can just turn off the light and back on. You can increase the light. It's on max right now, but you can lower it. Look at that. You can dim it to go to sleep. Wow, it dims a lot. I like to put it on max just because I need to see stuff. And you see that I was telling you, it starts spinning in the opposite. Let me stop it real quick. And then you have the light colors or temperatures. As you see, it became more blue. Click it again. Kind of that yellow tone daylight, and this is more like a sleeping room light, because this is a bedroom, and that's it. Besides that, you have the timer, 1 hour, 2 hours or 4 hours, and you have this just like normal breeze, and this is where you set it up with ALEXE or Google. I don't use any of those on my home, but you have the option to use them. If you use those in your house, well, you can just do that and pair it with, so you can just talk to your AI assistant and change the fan speeds and lights and all that via that if you wish so. It has the options, but as I said, in my home, I don't use any of that ever, so it is what it is. But the fan itself, absolutely a beauty. Look at that. Look at the part that looks like a car rim. I love this part. I don't know why, but I like that part of the design. And besides that, well, it just does 100% what it promises to do. It spins, it makes light, and that's it. Look at that. On one, literally there is zero noise, not even static noise. Nope, nothing. But you can feel the wind in the entire room. So yeah, that's pretty much it. It's actually a bit cold today, so I'm gonna turn off the fan, but just wanted to show you. It's a really beautiful piece. Absolutely love it, and I think they really did a great job with this one. Beautiful piece to have in your bedroom or living room or wherever you want to put it. And very easy to install. Literally just took me, 10 minutes to put it in the ceiling. That's all.